Alright guys, first video. This one's just going to kind of be showing you guys how to do the DNA molecule building with the beads that we were doing the other day in class. Later on I'll be adding some videos for like lectures and stuff like that if you guys need to study, some extra resources. But yeah, this one's just kind of going to be a crash course for the kids that didn't get done building the DNA molecules yet. So, I'm going to assume you already went ahead and were able to build each side of the strand relatively easily. It's pretty straightforward. Again, it's just whatever bead you chose to use for the phosphate group and whatever bead you chose to use for the deoxyribose. 15 on each side, alternating, so you should be starting and ending with the same type of bead, depending. What we're doing at this point is you're going to take this third longer string, the really big one that we gave you, and you're going to take two of the beads that match up in color. So in this case, I'm going to use my purple and my green. In this case, purple is going to be my adenine, and green is going to be my thymine. And you're going to take them, and you're going to put them both on the same string, like that. Alright, it's going to go all the way through. And then what you want to do is you want to kind of make a U shape with the string, with the two beads being in the center at the bottom. Right, like that. Okay? At that point, what you're going to want to do is take the top of each string and put it through the second last bead and the third last bead, but not the very last one. Leave that one at the bottom and pull it all the way through. And then once you get them both through each side, again, you're putting one through one side and one side through the other. You're going to pull it tight. So you have these two beads at the very bottom. Now this is where it gets tricky. So we have each of these two strings, each side of it still sticking out, right? So now you're going to pick another pair. This time I'm going to use my orange for guanine and my pink one for cytosine. And you're going to put these on either side of the longer string and put it down all the way to the bottom. Now after you put it down each side of the string, see how I have it just kind of, one's right here and the other one's right here on the string, you have to make them face each other. Or another way of wording it is like threading it through from top down. So if we imagine the end of the string being the top and the bottom being the bottom, then if we're tying the string from one side down through the other one, I'm going to take this string right here, right? I'm going to go over to the orange one, right there, and I'm going to thread it through. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see it easier. Thread it through from the top to the bottom, like that. Okay? And then when you pull it tight, it'll start to face the other molecule. You're going to do the same thing with your other string. Put it from the top to the bottom, thread it through, and when you pull tight, they'll come together like that. Now, I'm going to do that one more time, but again, you guys can pause this video and replay it as many times as you want, which will help you guys be able to see what we're doing a lot easier. At this point, what you're going to do is take this string, put it through the next two beads on the same side that it's already on, pull it through, just like that. Once again, take this string, thread it through the next two beads on the same side, pull it tight, and then we're going to pull put two more molecules on there. So let's do adenine and thymine again. I forget which one I said was adenine and which one I said was thymine, but that's alright. I know that it's green and purple. And at this point, again, we're going to thread it from top to bottom. So I'm going to take the top of this string and thread it through the top of the other bead, through the bottom, and pull it tight. I'm going to take the top of this string, thread it through the top of that bead to the bottom, and pull it tight. And see, you can see the DNA molecule is starting to come together. Then what we're going to do is, again, one more time, just put it through the next two on each side. And then at this point, we would do the exact same thing we've been doing, just one more step up. So I hope that helped you guys kind of understand what we're supposed to be doing with this activity. So yeah, watch it, do the homework, get it in, and yeah, talk to you guys later.